The United States contains over 95,000 miles of shoreline along the coastal, marine, and Great Lakes waters. These waters support incredible rich and productive ecosystems.
So when you're talking about that huge ocean area that's part of the territory of the United States, it's immense, and it has all this diversity of ecosystems. We have coral reefs, we have kelp beds, we have salt marshes in Chesapeake Bay.
Marine protected areas, or MPAs, are special places in the ocean. They are an important tool in protecting our marine natural heritage, healthy plant and animal communities, habitats and ecosystems, and the benefits they provide to us. MPAs can help ensure the long-term health and conservation of marine resources, and networks of MPAs can connect different marine habitats to conserve and protect many coastal and marine species.
Marine protected areas protect our natural heritage of the oceans. This is the vast repository of the sea's biodiversity, the genes, the species, the communities, the ecosystems that provide so many goods and services to humans.
Marine protected areas range from sites of multiple uses to fully protected or no-take reserves. In the U.S. today, there are over 1,600 MPAs. Nearly all of those MPAs are multiple-use sites in which a variety of human activities are allowed. Still, as our coastal population grows, we are placing enormous pressures on our ocean resources. To address this issue, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's National Marine Protected Area Center is working with stakeholders who use and care about our oceans, coasts, and Great Lakes to build a national system of marine protected areas. The national system provides a way for coastal and ocean managers from states, tribes, and federal agencies and the public to work together in conserving our natural heritage.
To me, the most important thing about the national system is that representative examples of all these amazing places are going to be protected for our kids and our grandkids. And so that no matter what we go through, and certainly we're going through tremendous changes, we'll be able to have and to visit those places and to know that they're there and to draw on the resources that they protect.
By protecting natural heritage marine resources, the national system is working to help ensure the long-term health of our nation's marine ecosystems. Learn more about preserving our natural heritage resources. Explore MPA.gov.